With the dynamics of firefighting rapidly evolving in South Africa, Industrial Fire and Hazard Control, part of the advanced group of companies, has adopted ultra-high-pressure technology to address water insecurity and funding challenges. Industrial Fire Director Trevor Fiford says by embracing this technology, the company has reduced the cost of firefighting apparatus while increasing the efficacy of its rapid response fire and rescue vehicle.
So ultra-high pressure technology is where we pressurize water sources through our supply or attack lines and hoses north of 100 bar. The traditional and conventional vehicles all operate at between 10 and 40 bar. Pressurizing this water through a supply line at 100 bar really breaks down the size of the water droplets into micro droplets. In fact, we are measuring droplets as small as 64 microns. And when you look at that and you take this vast mass of micro droplets together, we are covering 10 times the surface area than traditional and conventional fire attack methods.
Ultra-high pressure technology uses 1/5 of the water consumed by conventional firefighting apparatus, but also covers 10 times the area of traditional methods, addressing concealed areas. The droplet size further enables a longer hanging time in the thermal layer of the fire, reducing its temperature much faster, while the micro droplets are pulled into the flow path of the fire much faster owing to their lightness.
The micron size and the number of micron droplets that leave our nozzle converts energy from the fire, because it converts to steam rapidly, and when you convert energy and take energy out of the fire, you actually start the suppression process of the fire, so you put the fire down a lot quicker as well. And the ultra high pressure also supports our mechanical or hydraulic ventilation that draws heat and hot gases and smoke and everything out of the fire.
As fires are extinguished much faster, firefighters are also exposed to less risk and experience less fatigue, which improves safety overall.
We're not saying that fire departments should not look at having medium or major pumpers with big water flow capabilities. What we are saying is there are a distinct number of fires that those vehicles are needed for. But the majority of fires that are fought can be fought with ultra-high pressure.
As the advanced group is comprised of firefighters, it has run numerous tests to ensure the product makes a difference in the lives of firefighters.
So we used a 65mm attack line with the same nozzleman, so the tactics were identical, and we used a 570 litre per minute flow nozzle, and we operated the pump at 8 bar. So we achieved a 80% extinguishment within 72.5 seconds using 780 litres of water. We then went down to a 38mm attack line. We flowed 385 litres a minute at 8 bar. We extinguished the fire, 85% of the fire within 62 seconds, and we used 554 litres of water. We then went down to a 19mm attack line. We flowed 75 litres a minute at 100 bar. We extinguished 100% of the fire within 32 seconds, and we used 54 litres of water.
To further enhance the capabilities of the ultra-high pressure technology, Industrial Fire uses Silvex Class A foam, which creates a dense foam blanket with excellent insulating properties.
If you add the ultra high pressure and you add the Silvex Plus as a mitigating capability, we believe that it really is the top of its game.
Industrial Fire can effectively challenge 80 to 90% of the everyday fires tackled by municipal departments using ultra-high pressure and Silvex Class A foam.
The wetting ability, the drainage out of Silvex Plus is slow enough to allow us to absorb heat out of the fire, take that BTUs out of the fire, and then, but at the same time allow that the water, because we break the surface tension of the water, to draw deep into that burning fuel. So we go beyond the char, we go to the deep-seated fires. And that's where the point of reignition takes place. We want to keep the firefighter in such a way that when he extinguishes an area, he can go away in the knowledge and the safety that there's not going to be reignition there.
Believing not many people in the industry know the true benefits of using ultra-high pressure technology, Industrial Fire is offering a training course.
The training course that we're developing is going to be over a 3-day period and goes into the intensity, it goes into the science of ultra-high pressure, it goes into the technology itself as to what makes it effective and how do we grow that technology further, but more importantly, how do we grow it in favor of what the client's requirements are.